The automotive industry is using AI in all sorts of ways to make better cars, to offer deeper customer experiences, and to drive profit margins. Here's how AI is changing the car industry at the factory level. Productivity should never come at the expense of quality. Car factories can use AI to tailor production manuals to the needs of line operatives. Long instructions can be shortened for experienced operators. Technical details can be included for engineers. The right information presented in the right way means your line operators never have to decide between following the process and stopping the line. You want to introduce IoT instrumentation, but your factory is full of pre-IoT machines. Using AI technology, manufacturers can integrate automation into existing legacy car factory hardware. AI can connect with cheap cameras to read dials and decals so that they can be monitored centrally, reducing staffing and increasing data collection. In an increasingly uncertain world, supply chain disruptions are costly. By reading contracts and processes, AI can build digital twins of supply, production, and logistics networks to help find good alternatives when things go wrong. Twins can ensure continuous production while simultaneously minimizing inventory, even in a fast-changing environment. Ensuring your production facilities are safe and compliant with legislation is a hard task. It gets even harder if you're trying to transform to keep pace with modern manufacturing techniques. AI can ensure that every change in the factory is evaluated, certified, and aligned with current health and safety protocols. Additionally, it can audit existing processes to help factories know they're working in a safe and fully functioning environment. AI is about so much more than just chatbots. At Endava, we pioneered the use of multi-agent AI frameworks to build automotive applications that will surprise and delight your customers, drive efficiency in your factories, and sell a lot more cars. Multi-agent AI is where you build networks of AI bots, automated teams, evaluating information to figure out hard problems by themselves. It's changing the way we all do business. Come and talk to us if you want to think differently about your customers, about your business, and about AI.